for a unity feedback control system whose open loop transfer function, GFS given means open loop transfer function. Control system GFS equal to 10 multiplied by s plus 2 upon s square plus s plus 1. Calculate the position, velocity, and acceleration error constant. So this is open loop transfer function G of S. We know that position error constants Kp equal to limit s tends to 0 G of S H of S. Velocity error constant Kv equal to limit s tends to 0 s G of S H of S. Ka acceleration error constant equal to limit s tends to 0 s square G of S H of S. Here it is a unity feedback system, that's why H of S equal to 1. H of S equal to 1. Therefore, Kp equal to limit s tends to 0 10 s plus 2 upon s square plus s plus 1. Since denominator degree is higher, that's why (20) divided by s square. As it becomes 0, it becomes infinity. Kv equal to limit s tends to 0 s 10 s plus 2 upon s square s plus 1 is getting cancelled. Therefore, you apply limit 20 divided by 0, that is equal to again infinity. Acceleration error constant Ka equal to limit s tends to 0 s square multiplied by 10 s plus 2 upon s square multiplied by s plus 1. S square getting cancelled. Therefore, 20 is equal to 20. Acceleration error constant equal to 20. They ask the error, then E steady state equal to position error equal to 1 by 1 plus Kp, that is 1 by 1 plus infinity equal to 0. Velocity error equal to E steady state equal to 1 by Kb, that is equal to 1 by infinity, that is also equal to 0. Acceleration error equal to E steady state equal to 1 by Ka, that is equal to 1 by 20. They didn't ask the error,